Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Dreams Natura Resort and Spa. This is a brand new resort. In fact, we're here before it's even been open, and I can't wait to show you what it's all about. Now, this particular category is a Preferred Club Junior Suite Swim Out. It is the exact same layout as the Junior Suite Swim Out. Those categories actually have tropical views. They're gonna face the resort next door and the mangroves. These ones are gonna look directly out onto the pool area. So follow me and let me show you what this is all about. As soon as you enter the room, you've got your light switches to the left, you've got your do not disturb and makeup room right there. Luggage storage here, and I love the touch that they have the drawers right underneath, so you can take it from your luggage and put it right in there. Continuing along, you have storage over to the left. You're gonna have your safe, you have a steamer underneath, storage up above and down below, and then right here you're gonna have your robe and slippers. I highly recommend that you wear that down to the spa. It is an incredible spa here, and we have it in our full resort tour. You want to check it out. It's built like a huge cenote. It's absolutely stunning. As we head into the bathroom, I did want to point out that this door does shut completely to give you that privacy. You've got the toilet over to the left, and right here you're going to have your shower. You've got a large rainforest shower head up above, shower wand over to the left, and your bath amenities here. Continuing along, I did want to point out that this is a Preferred Club room. If you pick one that's not, you're not going to get all the amenities, but this one has an upgraded amenity kit right here. You're also going to have check-in at the Preferred Club lounge, so you're going to bypass that regular check-in. They're going to get you all set, and then you can take advantage of that lounge throughout your stay here. It does have a really fantastic upgraded bar. Underneath here, you're going to find storage, and on top you have this large double vanity, your hair dryer right here, and also your scale. So now we are in the bedroom space. To my left here, you have your mini bar set up. So you've got an espresso maker with the pods, and down below here, you're gonna have a full mini bar that'll be stocked, and you can replenish both as often as you like throughout your stay. You've got a small reading desk here and your flat panel smart TV. Now you see that this is a king variety. They do have rooms in this category with 2 doubles as well. You've got your temperature control over to the right and your 2 USB plugs and also your light switches. Continuing along to the other side of the bed, you got the rest of the light switches, the fan right here, 2 more USB plugs to charge, your phone, and your remote control. I wanted to point out that they do have a fan in here in every room at the resort, something that I am a big fan of. I love that air constantly moving. You've got more storage underneath here and luggage storage up top. And I wanted to point out this bag, another one of those little touches that signifies that this is a Preferred Club room. You can take that with you down to the beach or home with you after your stay. You've got your chair over here to the left, perfect for reading. And then over here, you're gonna have your sofa. Now, because this is the king variety, you're gonna have a pull-out bed right here. The one with 2 doubles does not have a pull-out bed. So now we're stepping out onto the balcony. Right here, you've got your table and 2 chairs. Nice little space here. But what this is all about is this swim out. You've got a little shelf right here where you could sit and play, and then the stairs head down. And they are all interconnecting. I do like that because it allows you to spread out a little bit more. Now, what I love about a swim out is, especially in the morning or the evening, kids want to go to the pool. You can jump out, get in the pool, have that refreshment, or pool's not that far away, just behind you. So when you're ready to book this beautiful suite category or any suite at Dreams or Secrets, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We know the space is inside and out, and we know that we can work with you, your friends and family to create the vacation of a lifetime at an incredible value.